I've been undergoing my K awakening for about 4 years. My life fell apart, and I want to know how much I should allow the physical effects of Kundalini to hold me back from focusing on getting my life back on track. Reemployment, career focus, financial stability. I feel that it's time to get these back into my life. The physical and emotional effects kept me back before. Okay, 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 Tracy. So this is a common thing. This journey, this process can really turn our lives upside down on every dimension: relationships, health, career, finances. Um, those are the major pillars that, of course, are very difficult to deal with. What I've noticed, and this, I lived this myself, and I don't know exactly if this is what you're going through, but I'll speak in general, is that what I've noticed is that when our life gets turned upside down, we look at the big pillars. Relationships are crumbling, no job, health, depressed, no energy, I'm very tired. Okay. And so we think I need to get back into those arenas. I got to get a new job. I got to find a partner. I got to sort all of this out. But there are more minor pillars that we are completely overlooking, which we actually can get some momentum going. And those minor pillars are self-care, just going for a walk, just preparing yourself a decent meal, maybe just working on breaking some bad habits like maybe social media addiction, or maybe even things like gossiping, just addressing these little things. Looking at around at your space, you can tidy up, you can do that stuff. You can maybe connect with some old friends that you haven't had a chance to talk with. Those minor areas, if we can address those, we get momentum going, and then we can sort of find the energy to reintegrate back into larger ways. Like maybe it's repairing relationships, like primary relationships, or maybe it's finding a new job and that sort of thing. A lot of people want to do like a 0 to 100. It's like, I've been laying in bed for 6 months, my house is a mess, I haven't done anything, and now I want to just jump right back into my career and get a whole new job. But there's a lot of stuff in the interim that we can address, and that prepares you for easing back into the world. So we want to ease back into the world. We want to ease into integration, ease into embodiment. So look around. Where are some areas where you can honestly say, I could do these things. I could start going for walks. I could finish those books I've been meaning to read, this and that. And then from there, you'll see the momentum will build up, inspiration will come, and then you'll be able to take next steps, because life does want you back in the game. Life wants you to have a career and relationships and all this type of stuff. Life has put you through an awakening, not for you to sit in your room. Life has put you through an awakening so you can live it out in the world. And that time is coming. And I know it's coming, because that's why you're going through this. But in the meantime, self-care, self-care.